Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the preeminent leader and martyr for the Indian independence movement in British-ruled India. Gandhi was pivotal in the move towards an independent India and an inspiration for the international leaders of civil rights, peace, and freedom across the world. Gandhi, called Mahatma, perceived and exercised a unique way to resolve disputes amongst the human race through non-violence, ahimsa, with love and truth, satya. Born and raised in coastal Gujarat, India, Gandhi trained for the bar in London, England. Young Gandhi began his legal career in Durban, South Africa, where his transformation from Mohandas to Mahatma took place. Mahatma means high-souled and venerable in Sanskrit. At Durban, Gandhi encountered the oppressive atmosphere of racial discrimination against Indians. He felt the pulse of prejudice firsthand when he was thrown out of a train at Pietermaritzburg for refusing to shift to third-class compartment because of the color of his skin. Humiliated, he sat on the railway platform on a cold winter night contemplating on how to wipe out such injustice. This crucible experience transformed Gandhi's life forever. He dedicated his life from there on to the service of humanity and for peace and freedom to prevail. Gandhi led his struggle in South Africa against discrimination with the concepts of ahimsa and satyagraha. He practiced non-violence and truth in all situations and advocated others to do the same for the betterment of mankind. Ahimsa is a positive desire of compassion, not to cause harm or destruction. Ahimsa is non-violence to all living beings, including animals. Conscious compassion constitutes the essence of ahimsa. Non-violence is a weapon of the strong. Satyagraha, which means holding on to truth, was coined by Mahatma Gandhi. Satyagraha is a very powerful non-violent method of resistance and direct action. Gandhi implemented satyagraha in acute political struggles and to fight injustice. Gandhi not only effectively applied these concepts in India's freedom struggle against the British, but also in all walks of life. Mahatma Gandhi derived his power and influence through moral authority. He held no leadership position, yet he motivated millions by the sheer power of his character and moral authority. He practiced what he preached by being a living example of his ideologies. On return to India in 1915, he set about organizing peasants, farmers, and urban laborers to protest against excessive land tax and discrimination. Assuming leadership of the Indian National Congress in 1921, Gandhi led nationwide campaigns for reducing poverty, expanding women's rights, building religious and ethnic amity, eradicating untouchability, but above all, advocating ahimsa, achieving Swaraj or self-rule, and uniting humanity. Gandhi led Indians in challenging the British-imposed salt tax with the 400-kilometer Dundee Salt March in 1930 to produce salt from seawater. The 24 days march protested the beginning of the production of salt from seawater and gained worldwide attention. The traction from the Dundee March gave impetus to the Indian independence movement and later the British Quit India movement in 1942. Gandhi's impact and influence went beyond India's borders, notably his positive influence on the success of the American civil rights movement led by Martin Luther King Jr. and the dismantling of the apartheid in South Africa by Nelson Mandela. Gandhi's leadership ideologies have had a transformational impact on many world leaders. These examples of role models are a testimony to and relevance of the Gandhian ideals of servant leadership. Gandhi's role in the Indian freedom struggle is most significant as he single-handedly led the movement for India's independence. His peaceful and non-violent techniques formed the foundation for the freedom struggle against the British. Gandhi was able to bring the whole nation under one umbrella despite all the differences to attain our independence. Gandhi was assassinated on 30th January 1948 while he was on the way to a prayer meeting. 3 bullets were fired into his chest at point-blank range. "Hey Ram" were his last words. Gandhi's life and death demonstrated the moral authority of man whose desire to be a servant leader to his fellow men was greater than his attachment to life. Building brotherhood and bridging differences amongst India's religious communities and his struggle for India's independence were some of his greatest accomplishments. Indians widely look up to Gandhi as the father of the nation, and he is fondly referred to as Bapu. His birthday, 2nd October, is commemorated as Gandhi Jayanti and is known worldwide as the International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi's life is synonymous with a man's desire to be a servant leader. His life and work is a testimony to the effectiveness of servant leadership through the values of love, peace, and religious unity. Indus salutes the icon of servant leadership, Mahatma Gandhi.